What is up, Midway Mayhem fans? This is Dan, and we are checking back in from Fun Spot America, Orlando, and we're right in front of White Lightning, where Great Coasters International is installing prototype coaster track onto the course. It's all steel. We can see them working on it right now also. Alright, so here we are right next to the ride structure, and we can see a bunch of new wood right there on the layout. And here we can see the transition between new wood and old wood. Right about there is where it starts and stops.
Yeah. We got people from down here saying that the weather's
And this right here is the connection point where the new steel track meets the wood. Well guys, that's going to do it for our video here from Fun Spot America, Orlando, as Great Coasters International crews are working diligently to try to get this back in operation. So we should have some testing hopefully within the next couple days, and the ride opening shortly after that. Of course, we're going to be here for that and many more updates, so if you like what we do, follow us on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter at Midway Mayhem, and I will see you out on the Midway.